Upgrade your kitchen hood exhaust during new home construction to ensure cleaner air and better cooking comfort. For a successful installation plan, the hood as a ducted range hood vented outside with the duct run as short and straight as possible and sized to match the hood and cooktop output. Calculate required cubic feet per minute by matching the manufacturer's recommendation to the range type, and for gas ranges, aim higher to capture combustion byproducts. Use rigid, smooth metal ducting where possible and avoid flex duct for the main run because it creates turbulence and grease traps that reduce airflow. Seal all joints with high-quality foil tape and mechanically secure with screws or rivets, and insulate ducts that run through unconditioned spaces to prevent condensation. Install make-up air when the hood exhaust exceeds house tightness, thresholds, or local code requirements, so the home does not pull combustion gases from other appliances and so doors do not slam shut. A simple solution is a gravity or powered make-up air kit plumbed to the hood control, or a dedicated intake duct balanced by a qualified mechanical contractor. Choose a hood with multi-layer grease filtration and a baffle filter system because they capture grease effectively and are easy to clean and maintain, and design the hood height and capture width to the cooktop so it draws fumes before they spread. Typically mount the hood 230 to 300 centimeters from an electric cooktop and slightly lower for high output gas. Include variable speed controls and consider a boost or high power setting for heavy cooking so you can run lower speeds for background ventilation and reduce noise and energy use. Pick a control that offers a delay or automatic shutoff timer to clear residual contaminants after cooking. Coordinate electrical, roof penetration flashing, and fire safety details early in construction documents so roof and ceiling penetrations are framed, flashed, and backed properly, and so the hood circuit, make-up air interlock, and any heat sensors are installed to code. Common mistakes include undersizing ventilation, where homeowners buy a unit with insufficient cubic feet per minute and then complain it does not capture smoke. Avoid this by sizing to the range output and selecting slightly higher capacity for gas. A second issue is using long convoluted duct runs that reduce performance and collect grease. Shorten runs, use smooth rigid metal, and add a clean-out access point near the hood. A third frequent problem is neglecting make-up air, which causes backdrafting and cold drafts. Install a make-up air solution when exhaust capacity is high and have flow balanced by a professional. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like kitchen hood, exhaust upgrades, so we help people find local professionals and practical advice. We host a discussion community where we and others share experiences, ask questions, and troubleshoot installation decisions together.